My name is Steve Brammer. I decided to install solar panels in my house because I figured it would be a way to save on electricity, and plus I was planning on getting an electric car. True South Solar was always on time. They were easy to deal with. They had it seemed like the latest technology. They had the Tesla storage batteries, which was always important to me. The installation process was quicker than what I thought was going to be. I thought it would take several days, and they just were up and got the job done quickly and professionally. Solar is real nice, especially since we live in the valley. It has a lot of sun, but it's now you just kind of take it for granted when the sun comes up, and you watch your generation. And then plus now they have electric car. I mean, it's really nice because I don't pay for any electricity for the car driving locally. At some of the commercial developments around here, like some apartment buildings just a few blocks away, is all True South Solar. So you want a company that's reputable, that's established, and that's an important thing about True South Solar is they have a footprint in our valley.